Welcome to Alpha Kids. Hello kids. Today we will learn a kids hygiene. Now start. First is comb. 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 Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Teeth brush. Teeth brush. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Cotton buds. Cotton buds. Clean your ear with cotton buds. Napkin. 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 Clean your face with napkin. Hand wash. Hand wash. Wash your hand with hand wash. Mask. 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 Cover your face with mask in sneeze and cough. Soap. 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 Bath with soap. Kids, I hope you learned this lesson and enjoy this lesson. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.